Find or read reviews that people are talking about Sisism A10 Pro, wireless earbuds. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Ergonomic wireless earbuds for all-day wear. 3-size medical-grade gel tips, S, M, L, conform to 99% ear contours, including small ear canals. Reinforced earhooks with 8G vibration resistance secure during high-intensity interval training workouts and mountain cycling. Ultra-compact charging case, 0.09 pounds, 40% smaller than most headphones on the market, designed for fitness armbands and pocket storage. Smart LED display and 50 hours sport headphones. A10 Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds feature dual LED screens showing real-time power levels for case and each earbud, 0 to 100%. With 8 hours playtime per charge and 24 hours from the compact IPX7 Waterproof case, reach 50 hours total for gym sessions. Fast charge via Type-C in 1.5 hours. Ultralight 0.008 pounds design stays secure during marathons. HiFi Stereo with ENC Noise Canceling. New 13mm drivers deliver cinema-grade sound under 0.05 second latency for gaming/movies. Earbuds wireless Bluetooth earbuds signal is much stronger and more stable. There is almost no delay in the gaming/watching videos. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures 98% stable connectivity up to 15 meter, 2x wall penetration vs 5.2, perfect for running or crowded commutes. Sweat-proof workout earbuds and clear calls. An earbuds feature a waterproof mesh and a nano coating inside, which prevents sweat from immersing into earbuds and damaging the components due to sweat. So the A10 earphones wireless can be used in workouts/fitness and more. Beamforming mics enhance call clarity in 25 mph winds. Dual device pairing switches between laptop calls and phone music seamlessly. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.